Yeah, what up? So we got a Ford Focus here. Customer complained that the vehicle is not starting. Asked me to take a look at it. So let's get right into it. Right now, finished change the plugs, oil filter, got the car started. This was a crank no start. Actually no start. It wasn't giving me a crank, it wasn't giving me nothing. Right? So what I did, I checked for spark, compression, fuel. Yeah, basically that's what I went through, and you're getting loss of communication. So this is the new plugs that I put in this vehicle. So you see how the engine is vibrating a lot, right? So those are the old plugs that I took out. So when I rev the engine, look at what's happening. You can feel like a misfire, right? Right, so you see the check light flashing, right? And when I scan the car, it tells me P0300, multiple misfire. Right, so this is what's happening with the new plugs in the vehicle. Dropouts, that's cylinder 1. I'm checking. Look how it's behaving. Right, we're gonna clear it and we're gonna try again. Alright, so you see all those dropouts? Okay. Right, so I'm gonna try cylinder 2. I'm not even getting anything. It's reading that number. Cylinder 2 is not even firing. He's the plug-in. As I said, this was a quick one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. You know what I mean? Tell your friends. I appreciate all the support and help. You're watching the milliseconds very low in comparison to number 1. This is number 4. See the spike? Let's try a different view. Let's try the waveform. Right? So you see how erratic it's moving? Let's try number 2. I'm not even getting nothing on number 2. Spark line is very low and my kV is very high. So let's try number 3. Try number 4. Number 4 ain't too bad, but still, let's go back to number 1. So I suspect that because of the what the hell? Wow, you saw that. Those are the plugs that the customer brought, and you saw what happened to the engine. Right, so these are the plugs that the customer supplied, right? So you see, trying to focus the camera. Right, this was the number 2 that exploded and pushed off. You see how it bent and it cracked? So yeah, you have to take this back to the supplier. I don't trust these at all. So I took out all and put back in the old ones. So I'm gonna start the car with the old ones. You hear how the car starts and runs. So I'm gonna put the analyzer on it. Again, this, slight misfire, but not like that. But yeah, so call this a fix. This client will need some plug wires, some spark plugs. And thanks for watching. As I said, share, comment, like, subscribe. Until next time.